vitamin that make your penis hard instantly. They say confidence begins from within, but science says it begins in your bloodstream. If you've ever felt your energy drop, your focus fade, or your drive weaken, it's not age, it's imbalance. Today we'll uncover the one vitamin that fuels your body's engine, the same nutrient your cells crave to restore strength, vitality, and performance, naturally. Fortified milk or almond milk. Pro tip: combine vitamin D3 with K2. It helps direct calcium into the bones, not the arteries, keeping your circulation clean. Section 2. The circulation connection. Good circulation means your body delivers oxygen and nutrients efficiently to your brain, muscles, and core systems. When your vascular health declines, you feel it everywhere, in your focus, strength, and endurance. Vitamin D3 helps maintain flexible arteries and supports nitric oxide production, which improves blood vessel function. Other supportive nutrients. Magnesium helps muscles relax and improves oxygen flow. Zinc supports hormonal balance. CoQ10 boosts mitochondrial cellular energy. Section 3. The mind-body link. Energy isn't only physical, it's emotional and psychological. Low vitamin D3 is linked to fatigue, brain fog, and even low confidence. When levels rise, neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin increase, leading to improved focus, motivation, and social connection. In short, when your body feels right, your mind feels unstoppable. Section 4. The natural nutrition protocol. Daily habits that reinforce vitality. 1. Morning sunlight. Activate D3 synthesis and circadian rhythm. 2. Whole foods diet. Include nuts, seeds, fruits, and protein-rich meals. 3. Hydration. Water is essential for nutrient transport. 4. Movement. Even 20 minutes of daily activity improves hormone flow. Sleep. Your body restores testosterone and growth hormones during deep rest. Avoid processed sugar, alcohol overuse, late-night screen time, chronic stress. Cortisol kills drive. Section 5. What science says. A Harvard study found that men with optimal vitamin D levels had significantly higher energy and hormone levels compared to those who were deficient. Another 2022 meta-analysis linked D3 supplementation to improved mood and performance in physically active adults. In other words, it's not magic, it's biology, properly fueled. Section 6. Building a natural daily routine. Here's a simple 5-step nightly routine to maintain natural energy. 1. Evening meal. Include spinach, salmon, or avocado rich in magnesium and D3 cofactors. 2. Warm shower. Reduces stress hormones before bed. 3. 1 capsule D3 K2 after dinner with healthy fat. 4. Mindful breathing. 2 minutes to lower cortisol. 5. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Your cells rebuild overnight. That's when the magic happens. Section 7. Why pills fail, but nutrition wins. Quick fixes often treat symptoms, not causes. Real change happens when you feed your cells what they need. Vitamin D3, along with minerals and balanced rest, doesn't just restore your energy, it rebuilds your foundation. The secret isn't in the bottle, it's in the balance. When you give your body what it truly needs, it doesn't just survive, it reawakens. The spark you've been missing isn't gone, it's simply waiting for the right fuel. Forget shortcuts. Feed your system, move with purpose, and let nature do what it's designed to do. Make you feel alive again. The night fuel. How nature keeps you strong without pills. They say real strength isn't about lifting weights, it's about lifting your energy every single day. Most men lose power not because they age, but because they stop feeding the system that creates it. Section 1. The secret within. Your mitochondria. Inside every cell of your body are mitochondria, your personal power plants. They take nutrients and turn them into energy. But when they don't get the right raw materials, magnesium, vitamin D3, zinc, and CoQ10, your system slows down like an engine missing oil. That's why people who depend only on pills often feel temporary relief because they're fueling the symptom, not the system. Your goal isn't to trick your body, it's to teach it to create energy again naturally. Section 2. The sleep factor. Energy isn't gained during the day, it's built while you sleep. Most men underestimate this. During deep sleep, your brain detoxes, testosterone is released, and your muscles repair. If you stay up scrolling, eat heavy meals late, or expose yourself to blue light, you block that process. Night formula for real recovery. 1 teaspoon honey plus warm milk supports melatonin. Magnesium-rich foods, spinach, banana, or almonds. 10 slow breaths before bed. Sleep like a king, wake up like a warrior. Section 3. The natural night oils. Instead of synthetic boosters, ancient cultures used natural oils to restore vitality. Modern science now supports many of those traditions. Top 3 natural oils for male vitality. 1. Black seed oil, rich in thymoquinone, supports circulation and immunity. 2. Ashwagandha-infused sesame oil, known to reduce stress and balance hormones. 3. Mustard oil, stimulates blood flow, improves muscle warmth, and keeps the skin and nerves healthy. When used responsibly, externally or in food in small amounts, these oils support the body's natural rhythm, without the crash of artificial boosters. Section 4. What real energy feels like. When your system starts working again, the difference isn't subtle. You feel it in 3 key ways. You wake up alert without needing coffee. Your focus lasts longer, even during stress. You start feeling younger, not because of your age, but because of your consistency. This is what nature intended: sustainable energy, built from within. Section 5. The confidence code. Energy creates confidence, not the other way around. When you start rebuilding your body's chemistry, your posture changes. You speak differently. You react calmly. People around you feel that shift, because confidence has frequency. When your energy rises, everything else aligns naturally. Relationships, mindset, performance, and purpose. You're no longer chasing results, you attract them. Section 6. The science of rebuilding youth. According to recent research, men who maintain optimal vitamin D, magnesium, and zinc levels show 40% higher endurance capacity, 25% better hormonal balance, up to 35% improved focus and memory retention. That's not coincidence, it's biology done right. Your body doesn't stop producing energy with age, it stops because it's missing nutrients. Refuel it, and you'll realize youth was never lost. It was simply waiting for balance. Section 7. The power hour routine before bed. If you want a real nightly reset, try this. 1.30 minutes before bed, stretch and breathe slowly. 2. Sip warm water or milk with turmeric or honey. 3. Apply 2 to 3 drops of natural oil, like sesame or black seed, on your feet or neck for relaxation. 4. Avoid screens, replace them with calm music or reflection. 5. Sleep at the same time daily. Your hormones love rhythm. Consistency builds chemistry. Do this for 21 days and your system starts responding like clockwork. Section 8. What to avoid. Energy killers are more dangerous than energy boosters are powerful. Avoid sugar spikes. They drain magnesium fast. Alcohol before sleep kills deep sleep cycles. Overuse of supplements imbalances your natural hormones. Neglecting hydration, even 1% dehydration can lower performance. The rule is simple. The body thrives on balance, not excess. Section 9. The mindset of vitality. Energy is more than physical, it's psychological resilience. When you stop depending on shortcuts, you start rebuilding trust in your body. That's when your energy turns into power, steady, grounded, magnetic. You don't feel like you're trying anymore, you simply are. The return of real power. You don't need to act young to feel young. You just need to feed your body what it was missing. Nature doesn't rush yet, everything gets done. The moment you start respecting your body, it starts rewarding you. Every cell, every breath, every heartbeat becomes a reminder you're built to win, and you're just getting started. At the end of the day, real energy isn't something you find, it's something you build. It's not hiding in pills, powders, or short-term fixes. It's hidden in your habits, in the way you breathe, the way you rest, the way you treat your body before sleep. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share.